Have you guys ever bought this udon from Costco? This udon is sold practically everywhere. What if I told you you've been eating it all wrong this entire time? Let me show you. Let's start by removing the plastic from this 5-star meal of ours. Let's take a look inside at all the goodies this plastic bowl of deliciousness contains. You have an udon packet. It's stiff as hell. Not because it just saw its sister walking out of the shower naked. It's because it's been sitting on a warehouse shelf for the past 4 years. You have a dry seasoning packet, and you have a soup base that contains 40,000% of your recommended daily sodium intake requirement. Let's put it aside because it's too difficult to open. Let's first tear open our udon pack. Start with this cut right here. We are going to put our udon packet into our dirty microwave. Set it at 1 minute. This is to make our udon limp. While our udon is in the microwave, we are going to open up our seasoning packet and empty it into our bowl. I can smell the MSG from here. Next, empty the soup base into our bowl. Is that the sound of our microwave? Let's go grab our udon. Be careful, it's very hot. Let's go ahead and drop that udon into our bowl. Put the cap back on. Let's go ahead and shake it as though your life depended on it. Wow, now it's marinated. Add some boiling water to the line marked inside your bowl. Now you're ready to eat pre-marinated soft udon noodles. Yummy!